And good afternoon, YouTubers. Welcome back to another video. We're not done for a while, but yeah, this is a good one. This will probably help somebody. Right, okay. 2012 CDTI diesel. It has the is it 2453 diesel particulate filter codes. Now, one of them that's come out, I've scanned the car. One of them that's come up is regarding a pipe, pressure pipe. Now, that in itself is probably quite explanatory, self-explanatory to somebody that is more qualified than me. Right, okay, well, let's crack on. We're going to do a bit of diagnosis. We're going to use our MDI. Let's see how we get on. Now, this is all to do with pressure. So, we got ignition on. Ignition on. Okie dokie. And let's start the car. Battery's going flat on this because it is knackered because we still haven't replaced it. Right, so we'll start the car. We're going to do a diagnostic 2012. And we're going to go to the engine. We're going to go to the 13 DTC. And we're going to be looking for KPA pressure. So, no DTCs. I have cleared them. That's why there is no DTCs. Other than that, it did say there was 4. And it was to do with boost pressure and all the associated problems that we're going to get with this. Right, so we're going to go to data display, diagnostic. You could do this with Opcom as well, by the way. I'm just using the MDI. Right, we want to go to a bit further down, so we're going to need to look for our DPF stuff. Let's have a look down. Oh yeah, look, zero KPA, there's no pressure. So we've got voltage to the sensor. So it did say, 80% on particulate feed. So look, I'm trying to do a regen, try and get that a bit better. I don't know how that's going to turn out. We'll see. Anyway, go back to the problem. Yeah, just trying to clear this fault that does come up, and I said boost pressure, etc. So there we are, KPA. It comes up with pipe. It was a pipe fault. So is it the pipe or is it the sensor? That's the question at this time, isn't it? Is it the pipe or is it the sensor? Now we've got 0.39 volt pressure. I'm guessing that's at the sensor. So that looks possibly promising. So let's go to a live plot of that value. Let's have a look, see. So go to the live plot there, and then for some reason you have to go and select it again down here. Tech 2 is a bit of a pain at times. Here we go, keep it going. Differential pressure KPA, there we are. So we're going to put the selection in there. Look, we've got the little asterisks. Right, so there we go. Yeah, definitely nothing coming back there. Looks like she's flatlining. Definitely nothing coming back. So that's from the DPF pipe. Right, okay, we can turn the engine off. We know it's not there. So what we'll do is we'll just stall the engine. But we need obviously diagnostics on. So we'll keep it running, as in turn the engine off, but we've got the ignition on. So that's just rebooted. So that's okay. So we're still monitoring, guys. Oh. Let's just bring the laptop over here so we can have a look. So we're still monitoring, still flatlining. So let's go to the engine bay. Let's have a little look. So we've got, so it's the pressure sensor on these is right at the back here. Great place to put it. And you've got this chrome coloured pipe that comes all the way through there, look, and down here, which then actually goes through a rubber hose. So we've got the key there, don't we, rubber hose, and it goes down to a very, very hot exhaust, DPF. So it reckons there's a problem with this pipe. So let's just have that pull on a plate. Hey up. Now then. See there. Look at that. It wasn't lying, was it? There's the connection. There's the other bit of it, look. Right, if I just zoom in. It's broken off. Well, I don't know if the rubber pipe, a heat-proof one, would be the right one to use. I don't know if that's right or wrong, or whether it's been replaced at some point. Right, okay. And that is solid there. That's had all its lovely, oily contents of a rubber pipe removed. That's absolutely, like, just plastic now. Alright, okay. Let's check the sensor. So how we're going to do that? Well, these work on a positive pressure, so we can use Mr. Compress there. So we're not going to blast this for long. All we're doing is we're live plotting in the car, and we're just going to give this a couple of squirts down there. Let's go and have a look, see what it says. Because what we're doing here now, guys, is we're checking the sensor's working. Look at that. We have an action on the sensor. So there's nothing wrong with the sensor. We've just tested the functionality of the sensor. So we know that's working. So that's just saved me, what, 40 quid, whatever it is for another sensor. Let's just go again just to satisfy our internals. Gosh. By the way, there's not a lot of air going down that airline. Don't think I'm banging eight bars of air down it, because I'm not. There we are, look, there's nothing wrong with that. So I think we've successfully diagnosed this, guys, that pipe, which is what was flagged up in the Tech 2 ODB P codes, was actually right. It did say the pipe. It just doesn't tell you where on the pipe it's broken. It just says it's the pipe, and it wasn't wrong. I hope this has been of some use to somebody, and could save you some time and some money. Now I've got to find a pipe that's heat proof to go where that is. Alright then, guys, catch you again. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, give us a shout if you need any help, if I can. Time is busy actually at the minute, so I'll try and respond as quick as I can. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.